Have you ever considered how many repetitive tasks you perform on a daily basis that could potentially be automated? This question opens up the fascinating world of robotic process automation, or RPA for short. You see, RPA is a technology that uses software robots or bots to automate routine tasks. These tasks are typically mundane, repetitive, and often tedious, but necessary for business operations. The bots are designed to mimic human actions and interact with software applications just like a human would. Let's consider an example to make things clearer. Say, you're a data entry clerk. You spend hours each day entering data into a system. Now imagine if a bot could do that for you, without breaks, without errors, and at lightning speed. That's what RPA is all about. It's about freeing up human resources from monotonous tasks and allowing them to focus on more complex and creative duties. Imagine the time and resources you could save by deploying robots to do these tasks. That's the power of robotic process automation. But how exactly does robotic process automation operate, you might ask? Well, let's delve into the fascinating mechanics of RPA. Robotic process automation, or RPA, operates in a way that closely mimics human interaction with software applications. It's like having a digital colleague who never gets tired, never makes a typo, and works around the clock. But instead of coffee breaks and social chatter, this colleague thrives on rules and algorithms. At the heart of RPA lies the concept of bots or robots. These are not physical entities, but software programs designed to perform tasks that are repetitive, rule-based, and require interaction with multiple software applications. These tasks could be as simple as copying and pasting data from one application to another, or as complex as processing an insurance claim. The beauty of RPA is that it doesn't require any changes to your existing systems. You don't need to overhaul your IT infrastructure or invest in expensive new software. The bots work within your existing applications, seamlessly integrating with your system. These bots execute processes based on predefined rules. They follow the instructions you give them step by step exactly as a human would. But they do it faster, more accurately, and without any of the common human errors. They can work 24/7, processing transactions, updating records, generating reports, and more. Moreover, these bots can handle a high volume of tasks simultaneously. They are capable of multitasking on a scale that no human can match. This means they can significantly increase your business efficiency and productivity. The implementation of RPA is like creating a virtual workforce that performs tasks accurately and efficiently. It's like having a team of diligent workers who never sleep, never make mistakes, and never need a day off. Imagine the potential of such a workforce. The speed, the accuracy, the efficiency, all this without any disruption to your existing system. With RPA, you can have a virtual workforce performing tasks accurately and efficiently without any disruption to your existing system. So, what advantages does robotic process automation bring to the table? Well, let's start by saying that RPA is like having an army of tireless, efficient, and precise workers at your disposal. These digital workers don't need coffee breaks, don't take sick days, and work 24/7, 365 days a year. Imagine the kind of productivity that brings. RPA increases efficiency by taking over mundane, repetitive tasks that would otherwise consume a significant amount of human effort and time. It's like having a reliable assistant who never tires, making fewer errors and delivering consistent results every time. And let's talk about cost savings. Implementing RPA can lead to substantial savings over time. It's like having a workforce that doesn't demand a pay raise, doesn't need health insurance, and doesn't require a physical workspace. But perhaps one of the most significant benefits of RPA is its ability to free up human resources for more strategic tasks. By automating routine tasks, human workers can focus on activities that require creativity, decision-making, and problem-solving skills. Tasks that add more value to the business. RPA is particularly beneficial for businesses that deal with high volumes of repetitive tasks. Think about data entry, invoice processing, or customer service requests. These are all tasks that RPA can handle with ease, accuracy, and speed. Another significant benefit of RPA is its scalability. As your business grows, your digital workforce can expand with you. Need to process twice as many invoices this month? No problem. Your RPA system can handle it. And let's not forget about compliance. RPA systems can be programmed to follow rules to the letter, ensuring that all processes are performed in line with regulatory requirements. This means fewer compliance issues and less risk for your business. In essence, RPA is a tool that can significantly enhance productivity and efficiency in businesses. It's like having a secret weapon that allows you to do more, faster, and with fewer resources. And who wouldn't want that? You might now be wondering, how can I implement robotic process automation in my business? Well, it's not rocket science, but it does require strategic planning and careful execution. Let's dive right into it. Firstly, it's crucial to identify the right processes for automation. Not all tasks are suitable for automation. Look for repetitive, rule-based tasks that consume a lot of time and effort. These are prime candidates for automation, as they can be performed more efficiently and accurately by robots. The next step is to choose the right RPA tools. There are numerous RPA tools available in the market, each offering unique features and capabilities. It's essential to select a tool that aligns with your business needs and operational requirements. Some factors to consider include ease of use, scalability, security, and compatibility with your existing IT systems. Once you have identified the processes and selected the tools, the next step is to design and develop the automation workflows. This involves mapping out the process steps, defining the rules, and programming the robots. It's like teaching a new employee how to do their job. Only in this case, the employee is a robot. After the workflows are developed, they need to be tested rigorously to ensure they perform as expected. This is a crucial step, as any errors or glitches can have significant impacts on business operations. Finally, staff training is paramount. Even though robots will be doing the work, humans are still in control. Staff need to be trained to manage the RPA system, handle exceptions, and maintain the robots. This ensures that the system runs smoothly and efficiently. Bear in mind that implementing RPA is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that requires regular monitoring, evaluation, and tweaking to keep up with changing business needs and technological advancements. Implementing RPA is a strategic decision that requires careful planning and execution, but the potential rewards are immense. It can transform your business operations, boost productivity, and provide a competitive edge in the market. Looking ahead, what can we expect from robotic process automation? Well, friends, the future of RPA is shaping up to be quite thrilling. As we stand on the brink of this technological revolution, we can anticipate RPA becoming more intelligent, more capable, and more integral to our daily lives. The robots of tomorrow won't just be executing simple, repetitive tasks. No, they'll be handling complex operations, making decisions, and even learning on the job. Imagine a world where your virtual assistant doesn't just set reminders or play your favorite tunes. Instead, it comprehends the nuances of your business, anticipates your needs, and acts proactively to keep things running smoothly. That's the power of intelligent RPA. But it doesn't stop there. The real game changer will be when we start combining RPA with other cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning. The synergy of these technologies will bring forth a new era of automation, where robots can adapt, learn, and improve their performance over time. It's not just about doing the work faster or more accurately. It's about doing the work smarter. This fusion of RPA, AI, and machine learning might sound like science fiction, but it's closer than you think. Companies are already experimenting with these technologies, and the results are promising. The future of RPA is exciting. As it continues to evolve, the possibilities for automation are virtually limitless. Let's buckle up and get ready for this ride into the future of automation. To recap, robotic process automation is a powerful tool for automating repetitive tasks. We've explored its core concept, delved into its intricate mechanics, and highlighted its numerous benefits. We've also discussed how to implement RPA seamlessly into your operations and speculated about its promising future. Remember, RPA is more than just a trend. It's a strategic move that can revolutionize your business processes. Embracing RPA could very well be a game changer for your business. If you found this video informative, do give it a thumbs up. Share it widely, and for more insightful content, hit subscribe. Remember, the future is automated. Stay ahead with our insightful content.